Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about angle addition. So let's go ahead and get started. So what do we have for you guys today? We have this example where they're giving you the measurement of angle SRD equals 41 degrees. The measurement of angle SRQ is equal to 161 degrees. And they're asking us to find the measurement of the angle DRQ. Okay? So the first thing I tell my students is to label it. So see how we have SRD, we have S, you go over here, RD. So this angle right here is 41 degrees. So you're gonna write down 41 degrees, okay? Now you have SRQ, which equals 161. So SRQ. So that's the whole angle. That's from here all the way to here. Okay, so from here all the way to here. So this one I'm gonna write it down a little bit bigger so you can see that the whole angle is 161 degrees. Okay, now they're asking us find DRQ. So DRQ is this angle right here, and I'm gonna call it X for now. So now what you're gonna do is we're gonna write an equation. This angle plus this angle here equals the whole angle of 161 degrees. Okay, so one more time. 41 degrees plus, I'm not gonna put the degrees right now, I'll put it into the end. X is equal to 161 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to solve for x. So we're going to subtract 41 from both sides of the equal sign, and we get 0. X is equal to, now this is 0 right here, 6 minus 4 is 2, and we have 1. So that means x equals 120 degrees. Okay, so that's our answer. So we want to write it down like this. The measurement of the angle DRQ is equal to 120 degrees. And there you have your answer. Okay, so when you have this problem, make sure first label it. And remember, this is one angle plus the other angle is equal to the whole angle. Okay, hopefully that helps, and I'll see you next time.